Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to talk about be verb in Korean. Welcome back. My name is Inyoung. If you're new here, I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about this important verb in Korean, which is be verb. The difference between English and Korean, be verb in Korean is always used with an object noun. So for example, when I say I'm Inyoung, Inyoung is the object noun in this phrase and it'll be used with be verb. Today I'm going to talk about. So be verb start with the dictionary form 이다. Anything that ends with that is most likely dictionary form. 이다, that's the dictionary form of to be. As you know, we have many different formality in Korean speech. We're going to start with formal speech. So formal of 이다 becomes 입니다. When you write it, it's 입. B at the end. 입니다. But when you say, B sounds more like M naturally. 입니다. 저는 인형입니다. I am 인형 in formal speech. If I use this phrase, this is a clock. 이것은 시계입니다. 이것은 시계입니다. 이것 is this thing. As subject noun, 시계 is the object noun. 이것은 시계입니다. So that was the formal speech. If I talk about polite speech, that verb ends with yo. Anything that ends with yo sounds like polite speech. There are two ways to look at it in polite speech. Depends on if the object noun ends with a consonant or a vowel. If the object noun ends with a consonant, you're going to say 이에요. If it ends with a vowel, you're going to say 예요. So using the same example, 시계 ends with a vowel. So you're going to say 이것은 시계예요. But if I use 책, which is a book, as the object noun, it ends with a consonant, you're going to say 이에요 be verb. 이것은 책이에요. And that was the polite speech. Now we're going to talk about the casual speech. That one also has two different ways. Depends on the object noun ends with a consonant or a vowel. If it ends with a consonant, you're going to say 이야. If it ends with a vowel, you're going to say 야. If you use the same example, 책, as the object noun, that one ends with a consonant. So we're going to say 이것은 책이야. In a casual way. 이것은 책이야. But if you use 시계 as the object noun, that one ends with a vowel. So you're going to say 이것은 시계야. Just add 야 after that. 이것은 시계야. I know that there are many number of ways to say be verb in Korean just because we have different levels of politeness in speech. I always encourage people to start with the dictionary form as the foundation and start learning different politeness. And in this video, we learned 이다 as the dictionary, 입니다, formal. That one doesn't matter if the object noun ends with a consonant or a vowel. And if it is polite speech, 이에요, 예요. If it's casual, 이야, 야. Hopefully this makes sense to you. I'm going to give you a phrase example so that you can do it on your own. This is a dictionary. 이것은 사전, and you're going to add be verb. Whatever the politeness you want to use, you can feel free to use any be verb. But you have to choose the one that's used after the object noun with a consonant. This one, 자. This is ruler. This is a ruler. 이것은 자, blank. So you're going to add whatever the be verb you need. I hope this video was useful to you. If you think it did, make sure to give thumbs up and always feel free to leave comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.